Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you the best way to make sketches in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my character's image over here, and to make a sketch out of my character, let us first press Command J to duplicate it. If you're on PC, it's Ctrl J, but then if you're using Mac, it's Command J. Now after duplicating it, let's rename this to duplicate. So duplicate. Nice. Now hold down the Command Shift U, like press Command Shift U. You get something like this. If you're on PC, it's Control Shift U to desaturate our duplicated image over here. So with our duplicated layer selected, press Command J or Control J to duplicate it once again. Let's rename it to duplicate 2. So with duplicate 2 layer selected, press Command I. If you're on PC, it's Control I. And then it will invert the duplicate 2's layer for you. After inverting it, let's change its blend mode from normal to color dodge. After changing the blend mode from normal to color dodge, you get something like this. Then just go to filter, blur, and select the Gaussian blur over here. Now let us play around with the radius. If we increase it, it becomes too perfect. So let's go with something like this. So let's go with something this. Okay, so this looks okay to me, so I'll just go ahead and then select the OK. Okay guys, so this is the best way to make sketches in Adobe Photoshop. If you really like this video, kindly like, comment, share with others, and also in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.